This is TeachIt video number 2, problem 2-3A number 21. The question reads, John has applied for the registrar's job at a small college. He submitted the following report to the hiring committee on a survey he did of 100 students. 45 students take mathematics, 40 students take chemistry, 47 students take physics, 20 students take math and chem, 15 take chem and physics, 10 take math and physics, 8 take math, chem, and physics, and 10 students take none of the three. The question then reads, do you think John should be hired on the basis of his report? Explain why. So to get this problem started, we are going to have the 3 circled Venn diagram representing math, physics, and chem. The inner lappings of this circle just demonstrate where the subjects overlap and when students are in more than one of the subjects. So we would start this problem by filling in the Venn diagram. It's easiest to pick out the less broader of the specifics that go in the Venn diagram and start with those. So the easiest one to fill in first would be that 10 students take none of the three. So those 10 students are going to be outside of all 3 of those, and then we can go ahead and check that one off of our list. The next easiest is going to be this 8 students take math, chem, and physics. So that 8 is going to go in the center of all 3 circles where all 3 of them overlap and combine. Because those students are taking all 3 of those, that's where they will be placed. They go right in the middle there. Then we can keep working up towards our least broad of terms. So the next one we'll go with is 10 students take math and physics. So we're going to go to the part of the circle where math and physics combine over here. Now we also need to take into consideration this middle portion here. So we're actually going to take this 10 total students of math and physics minus this 8 students that we already have in there. So we'll be putting in a 2 for 2 students left. So the total of those is the 10 that make up the 10 for math and physics. We'll go ahead and check that off of our list. The next one is going to be the 15 students that take chem and physics. So we have our chem circle here and our physics circle here. Out of those 15, we're looking to fill this spot here. Again, we're going to minus that 8 from the total 15, as that is again part of chem and physics. So that would leave us with 7 students there. We're going to go ahead and take that one off of our list. The next one is 20 students that take math and chem. So we've got our chem circle here and our math circle here. We're looking at this area here, again, including that middle 8. So out of those 20 that take math and chem, we're going to go ahead and subtract the 8 again. So we will be left with 12. We'll go ahead and take that off of our list. Then we are going to go ahead and we'll go with the chemistry first. So it says 40 total students take chemistry. So we're going to do 12 and 8, which is 20, and then 7. So we have 27 students minus the 40. So that would be 13 students left taking chem only. We'll go ahead and take that one off of our list. The next one that we're going to do, we'll just go ahead and do physics. So we have 47 total students, so we're going to take this entire green circle here, so not including the math or chemistry. We have 8 and 2, which is 10 and 7, which would make 17. Out of the total 47, that would leave us 30 students left taking physics. We then have, we'll go ahead and take that off of our list. And then we have 45 students that will take mathematics. So 12 and 8 is 20, plus 2 is, 22. And then with the 45, that leaves us with 23 students taking math only. So now that we've completed all of those, what we want to do is just make sure that all of these numbers add up to that total 100 students. So let me type that in here quick. So after adding those up, I did get 105, and we do only have 100 students. I am just going to do that one more time just to double check the math. Okay, so I am getting 105 again, and like I said, that 105 represents all of the numbers that we have within our circles of the students taking classes and the 10 that are not taking classes. So because it said that it's of 100 students, obviously John has a calculation that is off somewhere. So if we're coming back up to here to this, do you think John should be hired on the basis of his report? I'm going to say no. And that would be because John surveyed only 100 people. Oops. 100 people, but his Venn diagram represents 105. And that is problem number 2-3A, number 21.